Hi everyone, my name is Meiza Mazalto. I am the Global Marketing Manager of Inspinia. We will present you today the award-winning application, our SkyThings application. I will give you everyone to space to settle down, and in the meantime, you can watch our award-winning SkyThings application video. Enjoy. Hi again, everyone. I hope you had a time to settle down. Again, my name is Maize Mazalto. I am the Global Marketing Manager of Inspinia. Today, we will present you the award-winning application SkyThings with our Sales and Marketing Director, Onur Mercan, and with our software engineer, Samet Balta. So let's start. I want to talk about Inspinia a little bit. Inspinia is built in 2014 as a brand of Astrum. And since then, we did many project, OEM project globally. And finally, in 2024, we did a joint partnership with the Czech Republic company. And since then, we deliver and produce in Czech Republic. We do all scale of building. We distribute all around the world. And if I talk a little bit about our product range, we have 4-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch touch panels. We have mini server, and we have AC controls. So we just launched our own intercom solution last year. We have villa type, multi-tenant type, and IP security console. So all our products, they are commissioned from our Skype platform, which is a cloud-based solution. Regardless the protocol that you use, KNX, BACnet, Modbus, you can configure the items with the relevant protocol. Then you can configure everything through our platform. So until now, we support those protocols that you see, the major protocols, and we can control all these BRF brands you see on the slide. So we have, as I mentioned before, we have our own intercom solution in Inspinia, but we can be integrated with those brands as well. So how we are working. It's very important. This is the back side of our touch panel, 8-inch and 10-inch. You see here those two ports. But what is very important, if your system is IP-based, IP protocol, you don't need to use any of those modules to put in the port. It means that if your protocol is KNX IP, BACnet IP, and Modbus IP, you don't need to use any of those modules. But if you use KNX TP, INAS is the closed protocol of ALCO, or you use RS485, you need to add the modules at those ports, and your system can be integrated with those protocols. And all the VRF brands that I mentioned before, they have their own module to be integrated in the port, and like this, they can communicate with your VRF outdoor unit. Once you configured everything, and through our Sky platform, at the front side of your devices, you will have a QR code that you can scan with your mobile application. And now I will leave the stage to Onur Mercan to explain you our award-winning application, and enjoy.
Okay, thank you, Maisie. Hello, everyone. Let's talk about the reason that we got the Platform of the Year for 2026 by IoT Breakthrough Award. Okay, the reason that we have got awarded for this SkyThings application because it's modern, intuitive, and stable, I mean, robust software that we're using. And at the same time, I mean, as one application for all functionality, such as security, climate control, lighting, multimedia, and some scenes feature as well. Is you also have a chance to use is residential or commercial projects. So it's so basically is flexible for different type of projects, and it's already designed for installers and system integrators, but we are so happy to it's also loved by the end users. For the SkyThings application, you have a chance to control your rooms and devices simultaneously and real time. Okay, and you also have a chance to instant access when it's needed to control such as lighting or another functionality. And at the same time, you have a chance to control and see the feedbacks, let's say feedbacks of status of your function or of your commands also. And is a daily basis using, so it's optimized for fast for everyone. Let's talk about for the login and pairing experience. It's like a piece of cake. Once you can scan and connect to your mobile devices or tablet, and then you can select your devices, and you can also select your DAM. Then now is all set, so it's now ready to use. So you don't need sharing any passwords or any email address because it's related to the secure things. So in our application, you don't need to share such as unnecessary data from the end users or integrators. For the lighting control, we almost have a chance to control all of types of lighting fixtures, such as on-off and ELD lightings, tunable whites, and RGB lights. And for the shutter and control, you can control your curtain system, and the shutter system included vanity blind, ambient percentage controller. For the AC system, you can even control fan coil system, your VRF, VRV system, or floor heating system, including modes, heating, cooling modes, um, temperature, set point, temperature, room temperature, even fan speeds, or some swing mode for some brands is supported for swing modes, and also error codes. Some of the brands will be able, if can share this information to our system, we can also show the error codes of your heating and cooling system devices. For multimedia control, we also supported multimedia controller, which is will be more popular than before daily nowadays. So as Maisie mentioned, that our Sky platform will be supported a different protocol such as Modbus, KNX, or Zigbee, or BACnet. So you also have a chance to integrate through those protocol or proprietary protocol with some brands. In this session, we can try to explain that. We also have a chance to integrate your current systems, such as CCTV system, security system, or let's say your camera and IP door intercom system. You can open the modes, or you can get the notification from your system to integrate to our smart home system. It's not the least, but the last one that you also have a chance to add some, let's say, individual scene related to your expectations. Okay, you can, thanks to the feature of Sky platform, that you can use a astronomic timer or some logics related to the logics. You can trigger some scenario, even when the sunrise or when the sunset is over. So you can trigger some features and for the daily routines, okay? And also you also have a chance to edit the instant execution with an app. And you can make the shortcuts to your scenes, to your dashboard. Means that you don't need to enter blah 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 blah. So you can, when you push the scene button, all sets and will be scenario function will be work as well. And is also popular and significant for all of us, not for the our comfort, but also our worlds. For the environment, sources is limited, so energy is critical. Okay, so we also think about the critical things to respect the world. I mean, for the efficiency, energy efficiency. So at the same time, not only for comfort, but also for the energy efficiency and the simplicity is the main tab of this SkyThings application. As briefly, I tried to show you, I tried to explain you the details of our SkyThings, which is an award winner. And now I'm giving the stage to my colleague Samet Balta, which is our software developer in our engineering department. Now he will be share in action how it works and how can you make the programming.
Yeah. Thank you, Onur. Hello, everyone. I am Samet from the Inspinia engineering team. Before that, let me share my screen. I hope you can see it. Today, I will show you a demo of the SkyThings mobile app. Before we start, I want briefly talk about Sky Platform. Sky Platform is a cloud service where you can register and manage your Inspinia devices. I will not cover everything today about Skype platform because it's outside this demo, but I want to mention two important features. First, you can group devices. You can group your devices into projects, configure them in Skype platform, and push changes remotely to the devices. Second, you can add team members under your company, assign roles, and manage projects collaborated. Uh, for other features, you can check our previous webinar recordings. Today, with our demo, I will show the configuration panel, how you customize your devices, how you publish settings to the devices, and then I will show the mobile app. And let's start with the project. Before that, you can see the dashboard. You can see your online device on map. Actually, you can quickly go to from this button, or you can just go your projects and find your device in here. Then I will hit the configure button. Now you will see configuration, but it's empty. Skype platform has a flexible panel. I mean, like a visual programming tool, it helps you build flows for real world scenarios. You can see our UI objects and other functions, many features you can see. But for now, I will just add a simple button integration. In order to do that, I need to open this section and drag and drop a switch button and hit the save. Now I will add a router quickly. Add a one node and connect buttons. Yeah, I mean input and output. Before publish it, let me explain this simple configuration. Uh, it let's look at this switch object. On left side, we call these inputs are input. These points inputs, we call them inputs. On right side, we call them output. Input is where the object receives feedbacks. I mean, the right point. Output is where you read the value. I mean, status value. The expected flow is when user taps the switch on the UI, this output node will send a on or off command. Then the router receive it and send it to its output, and this output send the data switch feedback right point. There switch will know the latest status. Uh, then right now this UI is not connected to the real physical system. To connect it, we can use our supported protocols to real world devices. I mean, to work with real world scenarios and sensors. You can see supported protocols here. We have many basic protocol here. Uh, then you can add supported protocols here. These integrations are not the topic of today. If you want, you can find more information on our website about supported protocols. Now, let's publish. Let's publish our device and connect with the mobile app. I'm clicking to save, then going to the list again. You will see publish changes button here. Then wait a little bit. It's okay. You can now let me open the mobile app. I'm clicking SkyThings, adding new device. You need to enter device ID, but you can easily scan QR code. You can find the QR code on device on touch panels, settings tab. Let me scan the code. Here we go. hit the save and connect to the device. And it will wait for a confirmation on panel side. I mean, for security reasons. Yeah, here we go. You can see switch object. In parallel, I want to show our monitoring tool. You can also watch real-time status with Sky platform. You can click this monitoring tool tab. You will see our object and connection established. When I hit the minor connection issue on my phone, I guess. Yeah, here we go. When I click to open, you will see the real-time feedback in monitoring tool also. You can also send feedbacks from here for testing maybe. When I send 0, the simultaneously F state is being changed. Uh, then it was a simple example. We will go to a complex one. Then I'm going to configure panel again. I will use the config import feature for this applying complex setup. You can export and import this config and any config to any device. It will allow you to save your time, and you can use it as a backups. I mean, when I click this button, you can see import section. I will select this one. Yeah, you will see many pages are defined and many connections here. You can see your pages on right side and page buttons on top. We have multiple rooms and many UI object types, but we don't have enough time to explain every connection. I will show it quickly and then move to the mobile app. For detailed training or solution requests, you can contact our sales team, or you can fill contact form in our website. Now I will just save this latest config and go to list again, then publish it. It will take a little bit time. I guess it's ready. First, we can check monitoring tool. Yeah, connection are established, and we received the current feedbacks. For example, temperature. Also, I can show the mobile app. So in order to do that, I need to join it again. It will ask for another approval because we add many new rooms. Here we go. Right now, we will have many dashboard objects. On homepage, we will see our defined floors. You can define floors in page step. I mean, for every room. Yeah, another connection issue. Yeah. Let me quickly dive into objects. For example, we have 3 floors. On the ground floor, we have a just single room with the air object. Let's start on first one. This is our dimmer object. You can open it quickly from here. And let me show the monitoring site also. Right now, we are in ground floor here. I will find ground floor here. UI object and entrance lamp LED. Yeah, you will see this one. When I open it or close it, you will see the latest status. You can click here and see the detailed version. You can increase or decrease the dimmer. You will see the real-time feedbacks. Then we have a heater object. You can open it, then increase the temperature, or just clicking this plus and minus buttons. And we can also show that. Yeah, heater. You can also see the real-time feedbacks on monitoring side. And this is simple switch object. We already showed it. And this is another dimer. These ones are scenarios. I mean, when I hit the save off, all lamps closed. Then when I hit the save open, all lights will be open on this page, on this room, I mean. You can go to other rooms. I will go to the middle floor. We have a curtain object. Let me also switch on monitoring side too. We are in the living room, I guess. Yeah, curtain. Yeah, curtain. Yeah. Yeah. I will open or close or pause. All real-time feedbacks are there. We have blinds object, similar to curtains, but it will work up and down. Then we have a thermostat. Let me also jump to thermostat here. You can easily open or close. Also, you can see the detailed mode. You can set the temperature. You can set modes. You can set fan speed and swing mode. Then we have other switches. I already showed. And we have a RGB control. I can open it and let me show it to here from here. RGB control. You can click predefined colors or you can just move with your fingers. It's also have a timer functionality. And finally, we have a multimedia. You can connect this UI object with supported protocols. And manage your speakers. I can open it, play, then pause, open, close, and set the volume. And I just can run this scenario too. Then I can go to the last room. Actually, nothing new. Similar objects, thermostats, curtain, and lamps. Now we can show others pages, for example, scenarios pages. These are easy access for your all scenarios. We have security mode. I need to set the alarm mode to enter password. Then it will count down from 10. Yeah, your alarm mode is activated. You need to enter the same password to disable it. Yeah, it's disabled. I can show the cameras section. You can define cameras here. Yeah, as you see, you can connect multiple cameras. And I want to show the intercom support here. We have many supported protocols for intercom. Let me show from the configuration panel. For example, yeah, in intercoms, you can see many supported protocol. And let me go to the monitoring tool again. Now I will make a intercom call. Before that, you need to make sure that all video and audio calls are enabled. Otherwise, you will not receive audio or video calls. I will open it on settings tab. Then I will make a intercom call and it will stand up. Yes, we are receiving it. When I call it, answer it, you will the camera and the voice. Yeah, I will close it. Yeah. Before before we moving the last part of demo, I want to quickly show our light mode. You can switch anytime between black and dark modes, and quickly show our UI objects in light mode. We have a curtain, thermostat with its details. We have blinds. I want to show it. We have switch object. We have timer, heater, switch object again. I mean, your customers can switch between light and dark mode. We go. And last one, multimedia. Okay, I prefer dark mode. Then you can switch it again. At the last part of my demo, finally, I want to show local working mode. So far, we configured everything through the Skype platform cloud and monitored the device. Now I will show how to do this offline using the local interface. In order to do that, you need to go tab and enter your device IP address, then enter your admin password. After that, we will receive the latest device status and device settings, also your QR code, allowed users, connected devices, address book for intercom calls. You can also see the designer. These are all offline mode. And you can also show dashboard. One important note, the local interface includes many key settings, but it may not include all Skype platform features. For example, you see these icons are missing because only default icons can be visible here because we are offline. But if you set your icons once in Skype platform, your custom icons will stay in the system, even if your local interface does not show them. Your local changes will not break existing design. And you can also see real-time status and send commands. For example, right now I am in entrance room. Yeah. For example, I will change this dimer in local interface. You will see the change in the mobile app too. Vice versa, I can close the dimer. You will see the latest status on local interface too. I think that's it. Thank you for your time. If you have a question.
Thank you, Samet. Let me share our contact details with attendees. Let me share my screen, please. So if you have any questions, this is the time. You can write us in the Q&A section. So if you want to ask us personal questions, technical questions, you can have our emails from there, this slide, and you can send us separate emails if you want. I will share with you the recording and the presentation of the webinar.